Good evening. Thanks for joining us. The fourth week of the Alex Murdaugh trial is underway. Prosecutors say they are close to wrapping up their case.
Today, the state shared DNA and blood evidence with the jury. Our Jason Raven tells us what investigators say they found.
Most of Monday's testimony surrounded evidence gathered at the scene of the murders in June 2021. Suspected blood samples and DNA samples analyzed by state law enforcement were shared with the jury. Some of the evidence shared Monday reaffirms what the state has already told jurors. They say Maggie's DNA was confirmed to be on casings from a .300 Blackout rifle, and Paul's DNA was confirmed on shotgun shells, confirming Maggie was killed with the rifle and Paul with a shotgun. Both murder weapons have not been found, prosecutors say. Now, a SLED agent testified swabs of blood on the steering wheel of Alex Murdaugh's Suburban appeared to have a mixture of Alex and Maggie's DNA. This was the vehicle Murdaugh was driving the night of the murders. Murdaugh had told investigators that night he had checked Paul and Maggie for a pulse. His defense suggesting her DNA was on the steering wheel because he drove back to the home to get a shotgun after he found their bodies.
And is that consistent with someone who has handled Margaret Murdaugh's deceased body, which is unfortunately covered in blood, and then driving the vehicle?
I can't ever tell you exactly how the DNA was deposited onto an item. I can just tell you what the DNA profile is.
And I'm not asking you to, I'm just asking, is it consistent? Is there anything in your report that would exclude that explanation?
It's a possibility.
During questioning from the defense, the SLED agent said male DNA not belonging to Paul or Alex was found under Maggie's fingernails. Monday afternoon, a forensic pathologist who performed autopsies on Paul and Maggie took the stand. Dr. Ellen Raymer testified neither Paul or Maggie had defensive wounds. Prosecutors had her go over the graphic crime scene photos and details of the two deaths. Dr. Raymer testified that she also analyzed the contents of Paul and Maggie's stomachs. She said that showed the two had recently eaten the same meal.
In your professional expert opinion, what was the cause of death to a reasonable degree of medical certainty for Paul Murdaugh?
I said shotgun wounds to head and chest. Shotgun wounds of head and chest.
And what was the manner of death?
Manner of death is homicide, which means death at the hands of another.
Cross-examination of Dr. Raymer by Murdaugh's defense team is expected Tuesday morning. In Walterboro, Jason Raven, 7 News.
2 jurors were dismissed on Monday. They tested positive for COVID. 2 alternates were picked to replace them. Jurors will be retested later this week. Cross-examination scheduled to begin tomorrow at 9:30.